You can mark expenses as billable in QuickBooks, so you can charge your customers for them later. Let's go over how to turn this feature on, how to mark expenses as billable, and assign them to a customer. Then we'll add those expenses to an invoice. First, make sure you have billable expenses turned on. Go to the search bar and type in Expenses Settings. Click Edit in the Expenses section. Select the Bills and Expenses section. Make sure that Track Expenses and Items by Customer are turned on. Note that this feature requires the Plus or Advanced plan. Then turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable if you want to charge a markup on your expenses. You can also decide if you want to count these expenses as income. Once you are finished, select Save and then Done. Now you're ready to track and bill expenses by customers. Select Create and then select Expense. Select the payee and in the Category column, select the expense account for the transaction. Enter the description and amount of the expense, then select the Billable checkbox. In the Customer column, select the customer you want to bill for this expense, and then click Save and Close. To reimburse the cost, link the billable expense to your customer's invoice. To do this, select Create and then Invoice. In the Customer drop-down menu, select the customer you created a billable expense for. This opens the Add to Invoice window. Select Add on the billable expense you want to charge to your customer. Select Review and Send to send the invoice to your customer. That's it. Now you're ready to start tracking expenses to bill your customers.